Hello, this is Eric with an Audio Precision Quick Tip. Quick Tips provide a brief overview of an APX 500 feature or function. This quick tip is an overview of the HDMI I/O option module. The HDMI option is compatible with all APX hardware models except the 515. HDMI can be selected as the output or source and/or as the input or sink. We also provide ARC, Audio Return Channel, Transmit and Receive. Select the HDMI I/O from the Signal Path Setup pane. Once you select HDMI, click the Settings button and this dialog appears. You can set the audio format, sample rate, and bit depth. We can generate a solid color video signal or pass external video received at the aux-in port to the HDMI source port. Here are the formats supported. Here you can select HDCP on internally generated video signals. In addition to video and audio information, HDMI carries metadata in the EDID. You can select to use the default APX EDID, use the EDID from a connected device, or you can edit your own custom EDID. That's all for now. You'll find additional information in the documentation provided with APX 500. Look for additional quick tips at ap.com, and thanks for watching.